Hello everyone, this video about how to draw in AutoCAD software. So we will continue our video lessons. So in this part we will use PDF file practice number 10, this file. So it started with this sample, as you can see. So let's start drawing this sample. So I already opened AutoCAD. So I want to drop the sample to our workspace. So let's do this. I need to open the file first. First of all, let's put some dimension in our workspace. So let's put, like, if there is like 90, yeah, let's put 90 millimeters. 90. Done. Let's put it to right side of our workspace, and then we can drop file to left side of our workspace. So it asks page number, first one, the destination of file, sample file, like this, and rotation no 0 degrees. So as you can see, this scale of this sample file is little bit smaller than our line, so you can change scale of this file by changing the scale number here. Let's put here like 45. Done. So if you want to open properties of this file, you can just click 2 times here. So let's check the difference. I think it's almost same. As you can see, this line and this line is same, so we can delete this line. Oh, sorry, I can select only this line and delete. After this we will start drawing. So I want to start drawing, I think, from this circle. So let's start it. As you can see, inner circle is like with diameter 18, the outer one is like 40 millimeters. So let's start it. First of all 18, second one is 40. Done. Let's check the difference here. I think it's normal. And then let's draw this one. In this case, the inner one is 24 millimeters, outer one is, I think, 54. If you have second monitor, you can use this file in second monitor. Yeah, I think it's 54, bigger than this, of course. So sorry, I think I made a mistake here because I put the radius instead of diameter. So I need, if I use circle, I need to put D first. Sorry, I see here is some kind of mistake. Circle radius, right? So if diameter is 18, the radius will be 9. Outer one is should be 20. So as you can see now, it's normal, the similar size with this. So we need to build another circle. So destination between them, as you can see, is like 45 and 20, so it will be 65. So first of all, I want to put center mark in our circles, and then I will choose circle tool. Using temporary track point, you can press Control on your keyboard and press your right key of your mouse, so you can use it. And then I need to choose center, you can see, and I will go to right. So if, as we saw, it will be 65 millimeters. So here's inner circle is 12 millimeters, the outer one will be 27. Yeah, finish. Let's put center mark. I'm just entering C and E on my command line, so it gives me center mark too. So, and then let's build all circles and then we can connect them. So let's build this one. As you can see, the distance between them vertically 90 millimeters, horizontally I said 20 millimeters. So what will we do? I will use line tool first and then using temporary track point. So I need to go to down from center of bigger circle, and then I will put 90 millimeters, and then I will draw a line in 180 degrees with dimension 20 millimeters. So this ending of this line will be center of this circle. So let's build them. So inner one is with diameter 34, outer one is, if I put D first and then I put dimension, it will be diameter of, so 50, no, I think it's 60, I made a mistake, sorry. So 60, no, it's radius, so D and 60, done. Similar, you can select this line and you can delete, it's not necessary. Center mark, don't forget to put center mark here, and then let's connect these two circles with line. First of all, I will select this point and then I need to go to down. As you can see, I'm using auto mode, so that's why it's not going smoothly. So if I turn off it with F8 key, and then I need to put this tangent point. So I selected it, and then I need to move this side of this line to another tangent point, this point, done. So they are connected smoothly. So another one, this point, as you can see, there is like curved lines, which with radius like 32 millimeters. Let's put it fillet, the radius 32 millimeters. If you select these circles, so it's done. So, but in this case, we need to put the outer fillet, not this. This is inner fillet. This one is outer fillet. Let's try first to build it with fillet, with a radius 70 millimeters. If you choose like this, no, it gives like wrong result. So what will we do? We will just use some formula. As you can see, here is like main radius is 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. So we need to find the center of this curved line. So to find it, in this outer circle, we will find the radius, which is like 17, the half of 34. So I think we need to move out from 70 millimeters, the 17 millimeters, so it will be 53 millimeters. Let's build this kind of circle which is 53 millimeters, and then in this case this will be 10 millimeters. No, let me check the first time. 20, here is 27. Sorry, I made a mistake. So I need to discard the 70 with 27, so it will be 43, and then I will build here 70 minus 20, it will be 50. Done. So connection of these two circles will be center of this curved line in my mind. So let's build it. So 70, done. As you can see, we made some mistakes because it's not connected here. It's connected here smoothly, but not here. So Did I choose? No, as you can see, I didn't choose wrong place. I choose the wrong place. So if I move this center to this place, as you can see, these two circles connected. So I want to delete these instructional circles, and then using trim tool, this trim tool, I will delete these extra lines. So pay attention to all small extra lines, and then I will choose these 3 center marks to change their colors like this. I think it's nice. So if you check with dimension the radius, yeah, as you can see, the radius is 70, so we did the right action. So the last point in this sample, what we need to do is decorate it with the dimensions, sizes, which is necessary when you read and check the drawing. So I think it will be assignment for you. Thank you guys for your attention. Take care.